Welcome. If you want to stop ongoing call notifications from showing up on your Gmail lock screen, this quick guide will help you do just that with the latest method. Let's walk through the steps so you can keep your lock screen clean and private. First, open your phone's Settings app. This is where you can control the behavior of all your apps and notifications. Next, scroll and tap on Apps. This section shows you a list of every app installed on your device. Find Gmail in the list and tap on it. This opens the app-specific settings. Now, select Notifications to manage how Gmail notifies you. Within Notifications, look for Notification Categories and tap it. This breaks down all types of notifications Gmail can send. Look for the category labeled Ongoing Call and select it. This is the setting controlling the in-call notifications Gmail shows while you're on a voice call. Tap on Lock Screen under this category. Here you decide how these notifications appear when your phone is locked. Finally, select Don't Show Notifications. This will prevent any ongoing call notifications from showing up on your lock screen, which keeps your call activity private and avoids distractions. And that's it. You've successfully hidden ongoing call notifications from appearing on your Gmail lock screen. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow the same steps and choose a different lock screen visibility option. Thanks for watching and enjoy a distraction-free lock screen experience.